Baby Big Mouth! Surprise!
It's a Baby Big Mouth surprise egg learn a word. Spelling with the letter U is great fun. U! M! B! R! E! L! L! A! And what's that spell? Umbrella! U M B R E L L A Umbrella! Now for a rainy day surprise!
Surprise!
Zootopia! Shake, shake, shake! Hop! The Disney Zootropolis collection. Zootropolis! And now a spelling celebration. Thanks for cracking us up. Bye-bye. More surprise party fun. Click here to see not one, not two, but 101 surprise eggs.
Or click here to see more of the fun you love best.
And let's be best friends. Click here to subscribe to Baby